everyone, my name is Colton McCracken. I'm a SNAP-Ed nutritionist with Cornell Cooperative Extension, and I'm here at the Lalvo Food Pantry coming to you to do a little unboxing video of things that can be in your monthly Food Sense food distribution box. Now, if you're not familiar with Food Sense, it's a local food buying program where you can opt in for monthly food packages, and this has no income requirements. It's open to anyone who's near or participating in a local food distribution organization. And what's great about these boxes is that it provides, shelf-stable foods at a low price, and it comes with a variety of fresh produce as well. So, without further ado, let's dive in to see what's in this month's produce. So, at first we got some nice green summer squash, which is also known as zucchini. Now, these go great in a variety of different dishes, especially if you roast them in the oven with a little bit of garlic. It makes for a great meal. Now, we also have some fresh carrots as well. Now, if you weren't able to purchase some of the carrots in this month's food distribution box, you can also buy these at the store or at a local farmer's market. And if you're curious about a farm stand near you, you can go on jcnylocalfoods.org to see about some fresh carrots as well. Now, the last thing that I want to show everyone that's not fresh produce, but it's a great example of a shelf-stable item, is some diced tomatoes. Now, what's great about these is that in a canned form, they can go on a variety of different meals, but these are a great way of not spoiling anything in your pantry, but also being able to use in a variety of recipes, especially some personal pizzas if you're interested in doing that as well. Now, if you're looking for additional ways to stretch your food pantry dollars or learning more about eating healthy and using the most out of what's in your box, you can come to my virtual workshop, Cooking with Sense. Now, this is a monthly workshop that happens the Monday after you get your food item distribution box, and you can register online through Zoom, and it's free for everyone. It comes with a quick talk about some healthy snacks that you can make with your food distribution items, and it also comes with a free food demonstration recipe as well. So I hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.